And it's Region 1. Saves the ball. Naagawan. Bounce pass. One off. Minegos. Basket and one. Kasha. Tuloy-tuloy lays. Kasha on the hoops. Yes sir. 5 ball. Number 8. Blacknall yun. Gandang pasa naman yun. Hook. Back to inbound. Kasha.
Pass to the middle.
Value pass. Bucket is good.
Shout out sa Berkeley Boys saka sa mga taga Baguio. Nice game.
Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Do or Die quarterfinals ng Batang Pinoy Basketball League 2024 para sa laban ng Region 1 at CAR Baguio. For the jump ball here. And ball possession mapupunta para sa Team CAR Baguio. And the bounce pass, corner 3. Off target. Rebound para sa Region 1. Kasha. Kasha kicks out. Corner. Spins. Kasha. Bounce pass. Backdoor inbound here. Kabunok na libre. What a backdoor inbound. Knockout play. CAR. Number 24 to number 11. And setting the play. Shot clock down to 5. De Vera. Down to 3. De Vera pull up jumper up high. At the buzzer, De Vera. And it's number 24 between the legs dribble. Fires on 3. Bang! Bulls. Here's Region 1. Ilocos. Cross pass. Kasha holds the ball. Kasha. Atake mula sa gitna. Dire-diretso. Mike Tito. And tie game tayo mga idol. 5 ball. Number 8. Blacknall yun. Gandang pasa naman yun. Hook. And now up by 2 ang CAR Region. Kabunok. Kumaldag. Tumira. Natapalan dun. And here's CAR Region. Blacknall. Look pass again. Pinlock. Pass to De Vera. Target. Nakuha ng Region 1. Number 18. Pass to number 13. Number 18. Spins. Kumaldag. Natapikan. Number 18. Pull up jumper at 3. Bang! 3 points. And number 14 is slowly dribbling the ball. Setting at the middle of the court. Pass to Season. Season drives. Slays. Season. Bucket for 2. And here's Region 1. Sumisigsag. Basera. Oop. Barcena. Nakahigang pumasa. Naagawan dito. Pass break ngayon. Number 1 na una na. Nag-Euro step floater. Wala. Isa laban sa... Oop. Naagaw pa rin ng team CAR. Season. Corner pass. Fakes. Stop. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. And nakuha dito ng CAR. Spin move. Floater. Wala. And it's Region 1. Saves the ball. Naagawan. Bounce pass. Season. Noob. Minegos. Basket and 1. Pass. Ball coming. 1-on-1. Natapikan. Naagawan. And it's Season. Lace. Oop. Traveling. Naagaw. And Lace binitin. Lace. Bucket is good. Region 1, Barcena, long pass, number 17. Oops. And here's number 28, Season, Lays. Season, bucket for 2. Barcena, ginugulo ni number 1. Barcena, paso. Number 13, pass inside. Down! Supal pa lang inabot kay Season. And here you go, number 17 sides, number 18 sides. Pass inside, supal-pal, may foul. Backdoor inbound, Kasha. Pass to the middle, alley-oop pass. Bucket is good. Perfect finish right there. And here's De Vera. Crosses the mid lane. Bounce pass to number 10. Number 10. Crossover move. Between the legs dribble. Zumizigzag spins. Lays. What up? Oh! Big spectacular move. Rebound here. And Kasha. Tuloy-tuloy. Lays kinaliwa. Bucket is good. And here's number 10. For CAR. And here's De Vera. De Vera, tuloy-tuloy lays up of the window. Bucket for 2. And here's number 11. Pumagitna. Looking for Kasia. Kasia holds the ball. Kasia. Di diskarte. Pass to number 13. Kasia. Sa 3. No good. Rebound. Put back shot of the window. Wala. At rebound dito sa Car. Number 23. Number 10. Pull up jumper. Bucket is good. And here's Kasia for Region 1. Looking for the clock. Crossover move. Yan, please. Oops. Pumatake. Nakalusot. Hook siya. Pasok yan. Rivera, bounce pass. Number 10. Number 10 sumalaksak. Spin move. Again, lays up. Grabe, inulit. And drives. Side step. Floater shot. No good. Rebound. Put back shot. The power move. And here's Car. Team Baguio. Number 10 again. Dribbling the ball. Di diskarte. Stop. Pull up G3. Bang! Dribble! And number 11 for Region 1. Ginugulo ni number 10. Umatake. Floater. Wala. Na-rebound yung sarili ng kira off the glass. Bucket is good. And here's number 10 again for Team Baguio. Di diskarte. Asking to receive the ball. Number 19. Side step. Plays. Hook lays. Basket and one. And crosses the mid lane. Tuloy-tuloy. Pinasa. Picks. Clutch. Supal pa lang inabot. Pars. No good. Rebound. Uy, kabonok. And here's number 10. Holds the ball here. Versus number 11. Natapikan at naagawan. Naisahan. Tuloy-tuloy. May foul. And the pass break here. Number 24, easy bucket. Kabonok. Natapikan na agawan. Plays up, easy bucket again. Back-to-back 2 points for Car. At narito na ang Region 1. Ang higanti ng api. Pasok. Drives. Number 28, Season. Number 14. Hook pass. Naagawan dito. Number 24, cross pass. And number 26 to number 14. Stop, pull up, jumper, long 2. Number 14 to in the middle. Spins, nakalusot, lays. Bucket is good. Naagawan dito. And number 14 to Season. Side step, lays. Yes, sir. And Barcena, pass to the middle, number 11. Corner pass, Dumanga. Pop off the glass, pasok yan. Bison. Pass to number 1. To the middle. Drives, binit, lays. No good, rebound, put back, shot of the window, Manny. Number 10 here. Pass to the corner, fires on 3. Too strong. Number 24, Kasia. Kasia, crossover. Umatake. Pinabitin, supal-pal lang inabot. And bounce pass. Number 28, Season, hook shot. No good. Barcena, naagawan. And stop. Corner. 23, number 10. Spins. Pull. Pasok yan. Here's Kasia. Kasia. Bababa ang bola. Drives. Kicks out. Pinasa ng kalaban. Number 23. No look pass. Tuloy-tuloy. Off the glass. Bucket is good. Nag-dive para sa bola. Save the ball. Number 10. Launch on 3. Bang! Bulls up. There you go. Ball possession for Region 1. Number 18. Stops. Kicks out. Fires on 3. Bang! Kuha ngayon ng Region 1. Behind the back dribble. Barcena. Pass to Kasia. Tuloy-tuloy. Supalpal. And stops. Pull-up jumper at the free throw area. Short. And number 269. Backdoor inbound. Number 9. Fix. Pass to number 92. Number 92. Side step floater. Supalpal. And here's Carr. Corner pass. Pass back. Setting the play. Number 23. And here you go. Drive, stops, corner pass, wide open for 3. Bang! Kasia, crossover move. Drives, kicks out. Pull up jumper at the corner. Bucket is good. Barcena. Number 10 for Team Baguio. Number 23. Floater shot. Bucket is good. And the long pass here. Number 11. Pinasa extra pass lays. Yes, sir. And number 10 here, dribbling the ball for Carr. And kicks out, fires on the 3. Too strong. Pass break ulit. Sakto yung timing. Tuloy-tuloy, fires. Oh, bumalik. Pasok yan. Number 10 for Carr. Crossover move. Number 23. Number 24. Corner. For 3. Bang! 3 ball! Number 19, nagmamadali, lays. Bucket is good. And number 10, for Carr. Bounce pass. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakakuha ni number 11. Tuloy-tuloy to the hoops, lays. Oops! 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 Basket count. Basket count. And here you go. Pass to number 14. Drives, oops, hook shot, in and out. And the rebound here, Kasia. Kasia, tuloy-tuloy lays. Kasia on the hoops, yes sir. And number 10, the bounce pass, setting the play. Straight to the rim, lays, hooks, no good. Oh, the tip in by number 24. And here's Kasia. Kasia, crossover, drives, pass on the inside. Pull up J and a bucket for 2. And crosses to the mid lane, setting the play, number 8. And Season drives, pass, lays, Sinausaw! And here's number 69. Nagmamadali off the window, bucket for 2. And number 8 to number 1. Bounce pass. And naagawan dito. And Kasia, derecho, tatlo yun. Oh, bucket for 2. And here's Team Carr, number 8. Number 10. Pass to number 1. Drives to the middle. Minekos pa, pasok na pasok. De Vera, pass to Season. Natapikan. And Kasia here. Kasia, side step, straight to the hoops of the glass. Rebound, put back shot. Kasia. And here's Season. Season sa gitna. Number 24. De Vera drives. Naagawan. Pass break ngayon. Barcena lays. Basket is good. For 3. Off target. Rebound. Floater shot. Bucket is good. Bucket. End of the game. Congratulations. Carr Vision. Baguio.